Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. My name is MisterET, and in today's vlog I have some sad news for you guys. So this will be the last time you will see the MK7 GTI on the channel. We've decided to make a move and to move on to something else. And to find out exactly what I did purchase to replace the MK7, you're going to have to stay tuned and watch the next video on the vlog. But in today's vlog, in about 10 minutes or so, we're going to go over a number of different time lapses. And our goal is to be converting the MK7 GTI back to, I would say, 95% stock. So we're going to be swapping out the taillights, the turbo muffler delete, the turbo inlet elbow, as well as the intake. We will leave on the springs and of course the brakes. And at the end of this, we'll be trading this car in at a dealership. So you're going to see that as part of the next video in that experience. But in today's vlog, let's get right into it and let's start removing some parts from the MK7. So here's what we're going to have to remove today. So the turbo muffler delete here, we're going to reinstall the stock part. Do the same thing for the turbo inlet elbow. This is a plastic piece, this is a metal piece. We're going to reinstall the stock taillights. They've been in my shed for some bit, so there's a bit of fog on them as it's a bit cold outside. We're going to reinstall this wonderful stock airbox, and I've got a few time slips here of over the years going from basically 14.9, 15.0 to a 14.0 with different tuning softwares. So let's get right into it. At the back here, the turbo inlet elbow and the turbo muffler delete are both removed. It's a bit tough to see, but there they are. We've removed the secondary air induction system from the intake, and we've disconnected this bottom charge pipe here. And now we're ready to reinstall everything stock under the hood. And here's what that all looks like on the bench. So Unitronic intake is still in pretty good shape. We're going to have to take this part here and transfer it over. This is basically for the intake. The stock intake will just reconnect over here. And then the turbo inlet elbow is over here, and we're going to reinstall the stock piece. So what we're going to do first is reinstall this, then this part, and then the intake. And just like that, we are back to stock under the hood. We have the airbox, we have the secondary air induction system that's reconnected, and all the stock clamps and everything is back on there. Stock turbo muffler and the stock turbo inlet elbow are back on. So everything is back to stock under the hood. Now we'll move to the taillights. So last thing to do here is actually remove these taillights, and I've been getting some comments from you guys about how the heck I made these things sequential. So as I'm uninstalling this, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And of course you will need to have something like a VAGCOM or an OBD11 to do the coding on the taillights. But the sequential part is actually something, just little clips and mechanical and wires that are installed. These are the shopdat.com taillights, and I believe they are a Helix model. So if you buy these specific taillights, you'll be able to do this. So the way to make these sequential, if you have a look here, there's this little switch, and you see it's not on the white dot, it's on the other one. And at the bottom, it's exactly the same. So you have to make sure that these are in that position, and you have to make sure that the red wires that come with these lights, which is here, they're basically connected and routed through this, go through this here, come back down, and are connected with this tail light. That is how you will have sequential tail lights. The GTI is back to stock, and this is the end of a chapter. I've had this car brand new, bought it in 2015, so it's a bit over 5 years old. It's got 70,000 kilometers on it, or about 50-ish thousand miles. It's been absolutely fantastic as a car for that period of time, and I'm going to miss it very much. But the car that's going to be replacing it is going to be even better than the MK7 GTI was. So please do stay tuned for that reveal coming very soon to the channel. And if you do like this type of content and you're looking forward to a new car, please hit that subscribe button and leave a like.